got ourselves all strapped down. Got our paperwork. We're ready to go. Seconds of nice blue skies that was peeking out there over Dubuque, and now we're back into the clouds again. Getting sick and tired of it. It really doesn't help the mood when you don't have any sunshine on you. And because we're going eastward, I can expect this for the next couple of days, at least today and tomorrow. I was just like a couple of sunny days. That's all. I'm not asking for a lot. Just a couple of sunny days. All right. We are just pulling in here in a moment to the Loves here in Knoxville, Illinois. Do our what's that, fill up, get something to drink, and we will mosey down the road a little bit more. We still have about 5.5 hours of drive time available. Let's see here. Nice and windy, of course, which is a pain in the backside. Makes it feel a whole heck of a lot colder. Right. All right. All We are at 75,897 miles. All right. Okie dokie. Well, we are here in Bloomington, Illinois. Try to go to the pilot. They were all full. So I came up here to the TA. Plenty of reserve parking left. Plenty of reserve parking, which I need to do. You know, it's 5 o'clock in the evening. I am not driving into the night just for, you know, an extra 3 hours on the road. You know, then try to find a spot. Still wind up being the same exact position because I have to wait 3 hours later to get going in the morning. So, you know, so approximately 3:30 Central Time, get up, get going. And, you know, just, you know, get through Indianapolis. Well, first of all, cross the time zone. So that, you know, that I'll gain an hour, but because I'm entering Eastern time. You know, get through Indianapolis, get through Columbus, Ohio, you know, and then get to Cambridge. You know, the earlier I can get there, the better off it's going to be. Blah, 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 blah. You know, all that typical nonsense. So we will, like I said, we're going to have to buy a parking spot here tonight. So, like I said, we got yeah, we'll do what we got to do. Who knows?